NANI? That's what your face looks like.
What, and that's what'd you get, Mitchell? M&M's?
A pat on the back.
We got a VIP. What's up, Rick?
What's up?
Hey, what's up, guys? We are at the Toro company in Minneapolis, Minnesota. They got some brand new lawn mowers and other surprises for us, so we're gonna check it out. So let's go see what they got going on.
Hey guys, I'm Josh, Stoney Ridge Farmer, here to visit Toro, and have some fun today. It's gonna be great, man. The channel's called Stoney Ridge Farmer. We got about 680,000 followers on YouTube and about 102 on Facebook. Good times.
Just a little gift for Toro.
Say thank you.
Being a valued partner of Spencer Lawn Care.
Stoney Ridge Farmer, did you have a good time, man?
Great time, awesome time, great time, just an awesome time.
How's your YouTube channel coming along? Gonna hit 1 million subs in the next year or two?
I feel like next week we'll be at 1 million subs. We're at 680 right now, you know, but I've got some big plans.
All right.
No, we'll give it 2 more years maybe.
What'd you do with your silver play button?
Sitting in my office in a box because I live in a mobile home that's 1,200 square feet and I don't have room to put it on the wall. So building a new place, a barn-dominium right now on the farm.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How many square feet's the barn-dominium?
It's 8,500 square feet of floor space total. Once I get done, 2,800 square feet of finished space. And so it'll be a little bit over 10,000 square feet of usable floor space.
Nice.
Pretty big, yeah, monster.
Mitchell Gordy, what do you think of the trip to Toro so far, man?
It's been a blast. They really rolled out the red carpet for us, man. They've taken good care of us, and touring the facility was awesome. Getting to see all the little testing facilities and how they put these mowers to the test and other equipment that they make. Having a blast, and I'm looking forward to next year already.
And talk to you just like I normally would while the mower is fully operational. Spin around away from you. And I'm not going to turn on the blades. They're not operational. Now try.
Can you go really fast now, Mitchell?
I think I threw out my
Let me get some shit.
I'm just kidding.
Let me do what Brad was saying. It's still heavy as hell.
What do you think, Christian?
It's sweet, dude. It's a sweet unit. You can cover some serious acreage with this thing.
72 inches?
72 inches. I can cut this ballpark in like 10 minutes. It's amazing. This would be way too big for my lawns, but I can see the application, larger properties, this would be extremely productive.
Christian, you having fun at Toro?
Oh yeah, having a lot of fun, Paul. A lot of great new battery products and everything all around. It's amazing what they can do in just a year.
What's up, Paul?
How was the trip, Naylor?
It was great. Great trip. Thank you to Toro.
All right, Copper Creek Cuts. What are you doing with all this nice turf?
Guys, it was an incredible time at Toro. We're about to head to the airport. Mitchell's going back to North Carolina. That's right. And I'm headed back to the ATL. So thanks for watching. Hope to catch you in the next video.